Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn medicine easily. To begin, focus on truly understanding the fundamental principles rather than just memorizing facts. Actively test yourself on what you've learned and revisit topics at increasing intervals. This approach, combined with linking new information to what you already know, builds a strong, lasting foundation for your medical knowledge. Next, integrate your foundational knowledge with real-world clinical applications. Try to see how the basic sciences manifest in patient presentations and treatments. Observing patient interactions and discussing cases with colleagues or mentors will significantly deepen your understanding and help you connect theory to practice effectively. To optimize your study, leverage visual tools such as diagrams and flowcharts to simplify intricate processes. Regularly engage with question banks. This helps pinpoint areas needing more attention. Furthermore, teaching or explaining concepts to a study group or a friend is an incredibly powerful way to reinforce your own learning and ensure you truly grasp the material. Finally, embrace medicine as a journey of continuous learning. Adopt a growth mindset, seeing every challenge as a chance to expand your knowledge. Remember to prioritize your well-being. Adequate rest and self-care are crucial for sustained learning. Medicine is constantly evolving, so commit to being a lifelong learner, always curious and open to new information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.